Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm down the allotment today and I've got a Powerbase 30cm 20 volt cordless grass trimmer. So we're going to have a look at this, unbox it, give it a go, see if it's any good for the allotment. We've got no power up here, so a 20 volt cordless trimmer is supposed to last 30 minutes. So let's have a look and see. So this is 20 volts power, 2.5 amp battery, 30cm cutting width, battery sharing, 1.5 hour charge time, auto feed, adjustable telescopic handle, and weighs 3 kilograms in weight. Handle, battery, adjustable, and dunno, little wheel thing. So let's have a look. So this is the Powerbase grass trimmer. So let's open it up and have a look inside. If you do experience a lot of wind, we're in the middle of a storm, so hoping it will not be too bad. But here we go. So we've got a guard with our little wheel, piece of paper. We've got a plant edger. We've got a box with our charger. Plug in, the batteries slide into the charger, and we've got one battery, and it has got a USB charging point, which is quite interesting. We've got a percentage, 100%, so that's good, and the battery clicks onto the charger like so and pulls off when required. We've got some instructions. Really big print. Don't even need my glasses for that print. There we go, in the box. Basic instructions, charging procedure, starting, handle adjustment, set the cutting angle, automatic line feeding and cutting guide. So that's the instructions. Then we've got a spool in the handle. That's quite handy to have a spare ready to go. I don't know if it's got one. Yeah, it's got one in there. So that's quite handy. We've got a spare one in the handle, and the handle will just be added onto here. And then we've got our unit. So it's quite a nice unit. We've got 2 buttons, lock and press that one at the same time. And we've got our adjustable handle there, so that's quite long. And then also this one also rotates, so we can do that with your foot. So the first job I need to do is undo these 4 screws and add the guard. So 2 big ones at the back and 2 at the front. So I'm going to find a screwdriver and screw those onto the base. I got my old Black & Decker screwdriver. Rusty as anything, but it's still working. So this will only fit on one way, as the screws are smaller at the top. Just pushing the thread through there, so it'll only fit one way. It's the shape and the screws all line up the same way. So pressing that on there, we're adding our screw. So that's quite good. So I'm going to remove the tab, remove the cutting blade label, please remove, and we're going to add the handle. So I'm just taking this apart. I'm not sure which way the handle is supposed to go, whether it goes down or up. You would have thought Powerbase should read upwards, so I don't know. So that fits on there, bolt through the middle, and then screw that back up. So assembling is just a few minutes. Very easy assemble, and then we're ready. So we need to add our battery on. There we go, and then let's give it a go. So it's cutting the cord to the right length. There we go. To work it, we're pressing this one down and then pressing the trigger in. So this has now been cut to length and we're ready to go. Taking the battery off, we can add the guard on the front. This is the plant guard. Fits over the top like that, that's it, over the top. Plant guard fits over the top. I thought it fit at the bottom, but it's over the top. So that's protecting. So I'm going to go outside now, give it a go. Just adding the battery. And there we go. Take off the plant guard and see how close it comes. there we have it. This is the Powerbase 20 volt grass trimmer. It's done okay, it's done well. It's not been bad at all. I'll take the battery off and have a look. Just done all my allotment paths. I must admit it's not the growing season for grass, but we'll have a look and see what the percentage is like. 98%. We've done all down the edges, all down the path, around the back. We've still got 98%. So that's really good, really good. So, interesting to see about the USB port. Wonder whether you could charge your phone up on the battery pack. Could be interesting, couldn't it? Anyway, so really pleased, really pleased. So let me know in the comments, are you using a grass trimmer? And what trimmer are you using? And if you want to see the Argus McGregor trimmer, then click on this link here.